Okay, to have a look at multiplying with standard form then. So we can do the same thing with indices, which is to write everything out in longhand. So I know that this is 2 times 10 to the power of 3, which I know is 2 times 10 times 10 times 10. And I'm going to multiply that by 4 times by 10 squared, which is 10 times 10. So all in there, I've got 2 times by a 4, which is going to give me 8. And then I've got 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to have 8 times by 10 to the power of 5. So all I've effectively done there is multiply the 2 by the 4, and then I've done 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 2, and from indices I know that I'll add the powers and get 10 to the power of 5. So let's have a look at the next one. I can do 3.5 times by 4, which I know will give me 14. And then 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 5 will be 10 to the power of 9. Of course, that's not in standard form, so I just need to put it back into standard form. So to do that, I'm going to turn 14 into 1.4. So to do that, I've had to divide down by 10. So what I'd have to do to compensate that is multiply this side by 10 to keep it balanced, and as a result this power would increase from 10 to the power of 9 to being 10 to the power of 10, and because I've multiplied it by 10 again. So look at the next one. So 2.4 times by 6 would be 14.4, and then 10 to the minus 5 times by 10 to the 7, add them together, minus 5 add 7 gives me positive 2. But it's not in standard form again, so I need to write it out in standard form. So it'll be 1.44, but what I've had to do is I've had to divide by 1 lot of 10 to turn 14.4 into 1.44. So I need to multiply this side by 10, and as a result the power will increase from being 10 to the power of 2 up to 10 to the power of 3. Okay, so division follows the same rule and process as multiplication. 4.9 divided by 4.9 will be 1, and then times 10 to the power of, well, 10 to the power of 4 divided by 10 to the power of 3 will be 10 to the power of 1. So it will just be 1 times 10 to the power of 1. Okay, with this next one, we've got 1.4 divided by 6.8. And I don't think that's going to give me a very nice answer, so I'm just going to do that on the calculator. 1.4 divided by 6.8. No, it's really not a very nice answer at all, actually. So it's 0.20588. We'll leave it like that. I've rounded that to 5 decimal places. And then I can sort out the powers. 10 to the power of 5 divided by 10 to the power of 3 is going to be 10 to the power of 2, because we're subtracting them. 5 take away 3 gives me 2. And then I've got to put that one back into standard form again. This time we're going the other way around. So in standard form, that's going to become 2.0588. I'll put some dots in there just to let you know that I have rounded that. So to do that, I've had to multiply that by 10. So I'd have to offset this on this side by dividing down by 1 lot of 10. So I'll have just 10 to the power of 1. And this one, remember this line here is representing a divide, it's a fraction. So 8 divided by 2 will give me 4. And then we've got 10 to the power of 5 divided by 10 to the power of minus 3. But remember, when we divide, we're going to subtract the powers, so 5 minus minus 3 will be the same as adding, and we'll get 4 times 10 to the power of 8.